So now I'm looking for this to just really go. This is the sort of type of thing that I like to see where it just keeps offering down in small rotations, and we just get stuck here. So I'm scrolling, then I'm waiting to hit it, and then that happens. So that is the frustrating thing, and this is what I did. I ended up panicking slightly. Now obviously it picks up a bit more pace. I'll play it back to normal. So once you're through here, then this obviously should keep going. But obviously now I hit one out, and then that's my next target was down here at 23s. And we just didn't want to take the low at this point. And this is when I was like, okay, great, it's not going to take the low. And as usual, I end up coming out here for no reason. There's nothing. For me, I'm annoyed about it that even myself, my mindset was calm in this situation. There's no adrenaline running for me because I've only got the small size on. So ideally, I should just be letting this run. It never gave you that reason to get out. Being the bigger time frame, and you got that splash lower, which is quite a shame because if you look at it, then it just continues. You just need to, as soon as you can put your stop above here, and you just let the market continue lower. It's got that not pace about it, but that's the play that you're looking for. It wasn't the best price action I've seen from gold before, but something that needs work when those bigger time frame players are in play to get that extra size on them. Be committed. I needed to be committed there because it's something I've looked for a while, but it's always something to learn from there. My execution performance this week, Monday was okay, small down day. But sloppy trades gave the profit away that I had Monday, so I gave everything back and some more. The fact that Tuesday was a good day, and then coming in on Wednesday and Thursday as well, that you get scratched a lot. I've had loads of small losers, and then not having enough winners. I haven't seen much in the market this week, so therefore I shouldn't have traded at all. Like I say, not many worthy trades. I haven't really executed things that I want that well. So it's something to learn from all the time. I haven't had much viewing. I haven't seen much what I want to see, and that many setups that have been key. I've been looking for oil to break higher, and it hasn't got that. It's got really small, less than 100 tick ranges, which you don't see that often. Consistently, it's just unsure with the market at the moment. My observations this week, I've looked back to when I had those 2 really good weeks, that the difference between my debriefing, I'm just trying to notice the patterns I've noticed is that, my debriefs are much more positive. I'm having better days. I'm understanding what's really going on instead of making, loads of sloppy stuff. One of my personal patterns for myself is that I remember having a slow morning, not trading much, being down only really small, and then coming into the afternoon, and I've just lost everything. The composure, the discipline is not there, and I told myself not to do that, and I only went and done it, and it's a kick in the teeth because you shouldn't. There's no need to do that. Another thing being trying to make too many big trades, as in having a massive view, and it's going to go 20-30 ticks when the market's not ready to do 20-30 tick moves, 40 tick moves. So I need to go back, keep it simple, get those 10, 15, 20 tick winners, keep it simple and just add it up slowly. The small results add up to big results, over the time, and then you just build your size bigger and bigger, and it all happens, something starts to click for you. Something that's what I'm trying to probably look for too much, that click, instead of just, keeping it simple, and try not to force things again. It's the same thing I say every week, trying to force things when things are hard that I don't see, I always try and end up forcing them. Weekly performance. Monday was a small down day, some sloppy trades, gave away the morning's profit. Tuesday, that really good gold trade, that was basically it for the whole day. Just waited patiently for that, and then coming in Wednesday, gave everything I made from Tuesday, gave all that back. A very poor day after a flat morning. And Thursday, nothing's really happening. I tried to scalp mainly today. You know, I didn't really see much, so I just kept quiet, remembering yesterday, what happened yesterday, not to give everything away again. So that's what I've done this week. Quite a mixed match week, really. So my improvement areas for next week are to cut down to the setups I really want to play, reduce the amount of sloppy trades, not to be frustrated with yourself when nothing's going on and trying to force things, and be disciplined. So, you know, put those things together and just, you know, be focused and disciplined on the good things you want to see. Just wait for those real good setups. Better understanding, finding out the different types of days and what's the reasoning behind that. Same with the losers, finding the reasoning behind that, where I'm entering, what am I really trying to gain out of it, and try and having confidence and moving out that comfort zone. That's what I'm really trying to focus on. Keep them down again to really simple things and focus on those, like, you know, 5 things for the next week, if not 3 things that you really want to focus on and improve.